If you're coming across this video, consider yourself as lucky, because in this video you're going to see how you can earn from this site that pays you for playing game. And before some of you will start trying to scroll thinking that this is all this fraud, or thinking it's all this unserious sites, let me show you withdrawal proof, because I don't just come and present any opportunity, I come with proof. So let's go to our notification. Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the withdrawal from this app that pays you for playing game. As you can see, this is the notification I've received. The $10 you withdraw has been transferred to your Meta wallet account. Some of you are thinking all this app is just for making money. So look at it, they have already transferred it. So let's go and cash it out from there. Alright, so I already linked to my bank app. I already done my verification and everything, and I did it in the other video I already posted. So go and watch it and see. If you also want to learn how to do it, check the link in the description. You can register. Make sure you follow the whole method. Okay, so let's go to my Meta wallet. It's loading. As you can see, guys, this is my Meta wallet. Look at the site. Look at the site. They even called it salary. If you can see, this is it. I am not here to come and be cracking joke or come and be making mouth or some app that does not pay. So I want to transfer it to my bank. As you can see, I've already linked my bank account. I want to transfer it to my bank. I'm transferring $10, and the fee they are collecting is just $0.90. Okay, so I'm going to place. Okay, and I'm going to put my withdrawal pin, and it is completed. Oh my god! And I have successfully withdrawn it. Some of you that know this Meta wallet will know that it is not just from a site or whatever. Sure, you get. So it has been successfully withdrawn. That's it. I have withdrawn my money and it's in my bank account. Definitely you are gonna try this. If you're not gonna try this, if you're still thinking it is all this scamming up, then you have to feed your head with rubbish. Look at it, they have credited me. Oh my god, let me just show you how to be playing your game. Apart from playing your game, you also earn by referring people. Okay, just 10 people, that's what you need. So let me show you how to be playing your game. Before I show you how to be playing your game, since I have already registered an account here, let me explain how you're going to go through in registering your own account. The link in the description, you're going to click it and it will take you to Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, depending on the one you're using. You're going to download the app and then you sign up using your Google. Emphasis on this Google. Don't sign up using your email. Click Google option and then you sign up. When you sign up, the first thing you have to do to make sure your account is verified is to come here. You come to your profile and you try and verify it. As you can see, my own is showing verified. So you're going to make sure your own will be showing verified. That's number one step, and you know that account is now ready to start making money for you. So this game, I play this one, I got $1. I was able to get $1 from this game within, let me say, within 30 minutes of using my time to play game. The same hours or the same minutes it will take you to be watching all this funny thing. Why not invest it in this game and also make money from it? So now let me show you how I'm going to, because some people might reach in the stage where they don't know where to put something and then they will give up. But I have figured out a way you can do it. So let me just say, this game, for you to earn, you have to make sure you make a line. You have to build this block from the beginning to end, and when the block cancelled, you have earned. So that's actually basically the way of earning from this game. Now, if I want to earn, I have to double press this thing or press it. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you an example of what some people have actually earned from this game. This is somebody's earning. when you convert this coin to money, you see actually that people are making money from this. Just take a look.
Amazing!
Just have a look. Look at this coin. I know that the minimum withdrawal is 100,000 coin. Okay? 100,000 coin. Also, when you refer somebody, you gain 10,000 coin. This is how to earn from it. Then, let's go back to my own side. Let me show you how to play the game. Because some people will be like, I don't know how to play, and therefore I'm not interested. When you play it, when you tap this thing, hold it for a while. Sorry. You're going to tap the underside, hold it for a while. Then you choose the block you want to have. I want to have just 2 blocks. Okay? Another thing is that as I was placing, you see it, as I place the block, I'm going to make sure it cancels out. And then when it cancels out, I'm going to make sure the next thing you add is nice. It's going to fit in. Do you understand? I can change it. Okay, as you can see, I cannot enter. If you get to a point where you don't know what to play again, you double tap it and then you replace your coin. So this is the I want to clear.